Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining today. Let me start with an honest question. How many of you feel stuck in your current job? Same role, same salary, same pressure, and somewhere in your mind, a constant fear of layoffs. So don't worry, you're not alone. We have bunch of people who are facing the similar kind of thing. Today I'm not here to motivate you with a big words. I'm here to showcase one practical skill which can actually change your career. And it is not even difficult. It is very easy to learn by each and every one. It's very easy skill. I'll let you know how you can learn. I'm not going to teach you that skill over here in this session. I'll let you know how you can learn. I'll let you know the process, what is the benefit of that, and how you can utilize that in your future jobs. Okay, so let's start. Most BPO professionals work extremely hard, but hard work alone no longer increase in salary. Today it's a competitive market, so we have to learn something which is more and more in demand, where we can provide what actually the companies are looking for. So this is how we can be in competition. So how we can do that? And unfortunately, many people stay in the same role for 8 to 12 years with no growth. How do I know this? I own my company, Milestone Career. I see every day more than 200 to 50 resumes. I offer them jobs. Of course, only have BPO jobs. So I see all the resumes, and I have seen so many people who are working in BPO industry with their hard work for 8 to 10 years, and the salary range is around 27, 30,000, not even 35,000. So yeah, there are people who got promotion, who were lucky, maybe who were more hardworking, but I can say that 65 to 70% people are struggling in each and everywhere. Maybe because of layoff situation as well, no growth. There are definitely age limit in BPO as well. So after 40, there are high possibility you don't get jobs. So of course you have to be so ready so that you can prepare your future as well. So this skill is something, if you learn this skill, there is no age limit to work on this. And the best benefit of this skill is, so if you learn this skill, you can easily get work from home job. There is no age limit for this. If you are a master in this one skill, you will rock. You don't have to worry about any other thing. Okay, so companies currently drowning in data. They need people who can understand and convert it into the decision. So for example, Amazon has 1,000 customers. 200 customers are regularly purchasing from Amazon. 200 customers were usually purchasing from Amazon. Right now they are not purchasing. 300 more people who are very, I mean, they don't usually purchase, but they are very rare customer kind of thing. So this is how the data is determined. Anyone can easily understand what is going on with the data. So this is how this Power BI thing work. Basically, as a recruiter, I know it very well. We are also finding people who are good with the Power BI. What we do is we are actually searching the data from Naukri.com, Job Hai. In fact, there are multiple options, LinkedIn and all. We search candidate with experience of Power BI, or maybe at least certification, or they have learned Power BI. Certification is not always important. The person should know. So for example, on call, if I call you on interview and then I told you to create a dashboard, you should be able to create Power BI dashboard. So this is what the companies are looking for. Okay, so let me first explain what is a Power BI. Power BI is a business intelligence tool created by Microsoft. It converts raw data into meaningful dashboard and reports. Every industry uses Power BI: IT, BPO, finance, healthcare, marketing, sales, operations, so on and so forth. Everyone needs data. So even when I have a recruitment company, data is very important for me as well. So for example, I have 100 candidates. So I want to understand in one particular dashboard, I want to understand how many candidates are good English speaker, how many candidates are okay with rotational shift, how many candidates are okay with voice shift. So if I want to see the data immediately, if someone can create that Power BI dashboard for me, and then one particular graph can tell me how many percentage of candidates are easily available to go for a night shift and voice process, it would be very easier for me to find the candidate for me. So I don't have to call all the candidates, or maybe my staff will not call all the candidates. They will only call that customer who are actually interested in that particular profile. So it makes my life easier, it makes business effective. So everything is sorted if I'm doing this. So this is how the Power BI works, and it really helps in every particular business. So as I mentioned, IT, BPO, finance, healthcare, marketing, sales, operations, and no matter you name the company, and I can tell you they are using the Power BI dashboard. And the best thing is, since this Power BI is definitely very old, a lot of people have already learned it, but still there are a lot of opportunities are open. I can see that regularly. People are with a different industry, not even BPO, with a different industry. They are looking for someone who can create a dashboard. And if you learn this and if you get, skilled for this, honestly, this is the best thing for you. And I'll let you know how it will affect your salary and all as well. And why Power BI is easy? Let me explain that to you. Okay. First thing, you don't need a coding for this. You don't need AI for this. You don't have to be AI particular in this. So easily you can create it. You don't need a technical background. Even if you're an art student, trust me, you can still work with a Power BI. And there is no time, there is no education qualification required for creating this Power BI dashboard. If you're good in data, you can simply go ahead and create the Power BI dashboard. What is the value of Power BI over here in this particular video? Okay. So what is the outcome of Power BI? So data cleaning, of course, if there are raw data, lakhs and lakhs of datas are there, which are dirty datas. It's not at all. We cannot see also. So data cleaning is very important part of data Power BI. Dashboard means, of course, there will be a dashboard which would look very simple, decent, classy. Everyone can understand the numbers, etc. Now, DAX basic, business reports, publishing and sharing. All these features are a part of Power BI, where of course we can create a business report as well and we can refer that. Publishing and sharing, there are feature when you create Power BI dashboard, there are feature where you can, that particular dashboard you can share with a different person as well. Now let's understand what is the learning source. So if you want to learn this Power BI thing, there are a number of courses. Even if you search on Google, you will get a number of courses which are available for how to learn Power BI. Expensive, cheap, lot of courses are there. But I'm gonna tell you very honest and very best thing, so you can refer whatever you it is suitable for you. So one and very best amazing certification I can say is Microsoft certificate. That is definitely from Microsoft. It is expensive, but if you learn from Microsoft and if you approach that particular certificate in your LinkedIn and all, there are high chances to get a job. I'm not saying that you will not get benefit. You will definitely get benefit out of it, but it is expensive. You have to spend money for that. If you think that you don't have to, or you don't want to spend money on that until and unless you get something really great, so there are one different option. Second option is Coursera. So everyone is aware of that Coursera has a premium plan of 1 year. It is around for 10,000 rupees, where you can learn each and every courses. Unlimited courses for 1 year, unlimited certification. And that particular course we are selling only for 2,000 rupees. It is not only Power BI, but I'm talking about all the courses which are available in Power BI. So if you take this plan from me, 2000 rupees Coursera plan, you will be able to learn every skill with certificate. You can utilize however you want till 1 year, and then after all, it is yours just for 2000 rupees, and it's a limited time offer. Of course, I just got a deal from somewhere, so I'm trying to give benefit to everyone. 2000 rupees is nothing. You will understand why it is nothing once you learn this. Okay. And third option which I can tell you is YouTube learning. Of course, there are n number of courses available on YouTube. You don't have to spend 1 rupees also. In free of cost, you can learn Power BI from YouTube. If you are good in learning, if you are dedicated to learn, honestly, YouTube is a great option. Trust me, 90% of the courses I did from YouTube only. I learned from YouTube. It's the best thing. So if you are not thinking to spend money, you can definitely go for YouTube and learn. But the only problem you will face, even if you learn Power BI, if you are applying in LinkedIn, there are a lot of companies, hell lot of companies, where they don't even ask for certification. But still there are few companies where they ask for certification as well. So there are big companies like Google, Accenture, and a number of companies who are looking for someone who has certificate. I mean, they refer if someone has certificate, that's a genuine thing. So I understand if someone is aware of that. There are few startup companies who are taking candidates without certificate as well. So in interview, usually they ask to create a dashboard, and if you are able to create the dashboard, you can go for that job. I mean, they can select you for this job if you have everything. I mean, the communication and whatever they are looking for, if you are able to deliver everything, I think they can still give you a job. Because no one can give you a guarantee for your placement, because placement is definitely depends on your skill, your communication, your requirement. So it's not 100% placement. But one thing I can do for you, just for my students who have enrolled for my courses, what I can do for you can learn from YouTube or wherever you want, from ChatGPT, from Gemini, from YouTube, or any other sources. If you learned anything from them, just opt for 99 rupees course from my end, and I will give you a certificate for 99 rupees. So learn from anywhere. So example, you learned everything from YouTube but you don't have certificate, I will give you government recognized certificate from my company Milestone Career. But you will not get directly, of course, because I also want to know if you learned that properly or not. Because if I give you my certificate, all obviously the company will definitely question me, how did this particular candidate got the certificate if he cannot create a Power BI dashboard. So there will be 20 questions, which would be depending on situation basis, how you will create a databases, etc. And you have to answer that 20 questions. If you learn, then definitely you can answer them, right? So if you can answer that 20 questions, you would be able to get Power BI certificate, government registered Milestone Career certificate with your name from my end within 24 hours. This is what I have created for my student, because I don't want them to struggle. So as I mentioned, there are three different best way. There are definitely a number of platforms. Simply Learn. I don't even remember. Like, there are a lot of platforms. Whenever you search them, they will keep calling you. They will ask you. They will give you a different offer. And I honestly, I'm telling you, because I learned from each and every platform. I don't even feel like paying anything on to them, at least not the hefty amount, because it's not worth doing it. Previously, when we didn't had any obviously different kind of sources, then there was definitely a good thing to spend money on this. But right now, since the sources are available in free of cost and in nominal charges, I don't think you should opt for this hefty courses. If you're still targeting a big company, or if you're getting trying to get a good salary hike or job, then definitely you can switch for that Microsoft thing. Other than that, Coursera is definitely worth. If you're stuck in a BPO job, and if your salary range is around 5 6 lakhs, max to max 7 lakhs, I mean, that is what I have seen, what we are providing to candidates. So salary range is around from 3 lakhs to 7 lakhs maximum. This is what we are providing in BPO industry, because I am working in BPO industry since what, 3 years. So I know what is the salary range. But if you learn one skill, which is Power BI, and trust me, 3 and 4 months, 3 to 4 months is more than enough to learn this skill. If you give your 3 to 4 months dedicated to Power BI, you will be able to get 2 into 3 into salary bracket easily. But yes, definitely there are few other things as well you have to learn, which are like communication skill, etc. But even if you learn Power BI after 3 to 4 months, I would suggest, if you already opt for a Power BI certificate, or if you are applying right now, I would suggest right now change your LinkedIn profile and start writing that you are creating a Power BI dashboard. And once you get certificate, upload that, because it takes time to get job. And once you upload that certificate, you will automatically get a calls. Apply in Naukri, apply in a different platform, and mention that you learned Power BI. You will Max to max, I can say that 7 to 8 interviews if you have to, and after that you will easily get that 3 into salary gap, and you don't have to worry about layoff things because this is a dashboard creation which is not at all replaceable. So you don't have to worry for layoff, you don't have to worry for your age limit, you don't have to worry for your work from office, because 90% of the work for this creating a dashboard is work from home. So it's a dream job if you learn this. Just give 3 to 4 months to yourself and learn this skill, and you will be fall in love for this. That's it for today. And if you want to go for this Coursera plan, this is my email address mentioned in this description. You can reach out to me within 24 hours. Our team will reach out to you. They will let you know how you can go for Coursera plan. In case if you are planning to switch for that 99 rupees certification course, you can still write them email to me. My team will reach out to you and they will let you know how you can switch for that offer. Don't worry for that. We are happy to help you in any case. Other than that, if you have any question, anything for me, feel free to reach out. And if you like the course, please give review. It would definitely help others who are trying to switch their career. Okay. Thank you so much and all the best for your future.